Boom. All right, what is going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We are back here with my 2006 Nissan 350Z. We're over here at the Shell gas station checking the prices. $5.80 a gallon right now. It's really not too bad. It's coming down, which is nice. But we just grabbed our energy drink and we're headed to work right now. But I thought I would film this video because something pretty unfortunate happened yesterday and I have to let you guys in on it. Let's go for a drive. Let's start this thing up. Turn the AC on because you know. Yes. Take this Panda Express thing out of here so it's not too distracting. Just set it in here. All right, it's supposed to be like 101 degrees today, which is pretty crazy, honestly. It's been in like the high 90s all week. So I haven't really posted on YouTube in the last like 2 weeks. If you guys have noticed, I've actually been gone. I've been busy working on this Grease show. If you guys have seen Grease, it's a really popular play and movie. And we were doing a live production over at the ranch or the winery where I work at. And I was actually in the show, which is pretty cool. I'll put a little clip here. Definitely a great opportunity that I couldn't pass up. So that's where I've been. Seriously been there every single night from like 5 o'clock to midnight every day. So we just did our final show of 6 last night. So I can focus back on YouTube, which is great because I really miss filming videos, honestly. Cheers, fruit punch monster. Let's go left. But as I started to mention earlier, we're gonna be talking about something that I can't believe has already happened, but it has happened. The brand new Nissan Z, or at least one of the brand new Nissan Zs, has gotten into an accident where it looks like the whole thing might be totaled. Down in Puerto Rico, kind of in the northern side of the island, there's a dealership, and someone was actually collecting a rosewood metallic Nissan Z, a brand new one, seriously dealership delivery miles, not even left the dealership lot yet. And unfortunately, one of the people that works at the dealership was bringing the car around, and I guess it was a little bit wet, they said, but I found another video where it was completely dry outside, but they actually said in the article that a dealer employee, or a detailer even, was driving the car around to deliver it to its brand new owner. Like the owner was there to pick up the car for delivery that day, and as he was coming around the corner, he gave it just a little too much throttle, and they were saying that the wet roads had played a part in this. Obviously, there's no video of it happening, but I'm assuming he comes around the corner and the car slides into this Dodge Ram, a brand new Dodge Ram truck. So the truck didn't have very much damage on it at all, and it was mostly the Nissan Z. I'll put this video right here of right when it happened, the guy that got out of the car and filmed a short video.
Mira pajarito, míralo aquí. Pajarito, míralo aquí. Tácata. Míralo pajarito, mira esto. Diablo.
It's not the most expensive car ever, but because there's not very many of them on the road, and especially the enthusiasts like us are so excited to see these things, it really is unfortunate that this happened and that he doesn't sound like he cares very much about the situation. So I tried my best to inspect some of the damage, but it looks like, so there's a safety thing where a lot of the hoods on new cars pop up, just completely remove themselves from the vehicle, and it looks like this is what happened. It looks like the hood is actually still in good condition. Also, the front fender and the rear fender are basically like shredded cheese. Like there's no saving those. So I'm not quite sure. We're gonna go this way, not because there's police down there or anything, but just because this road looks nice. Oh yeah. To think that beautiful rosewood metallic Z will never get to experience that. What the car was built for will never get to experience that. I'm almost sure someone's gonna buy that car and fix it up. Hopefully it's a YouTuber. Maybe it could be us. Who knows? Maybe we'll pick it up. That'd be kind of crazy. I mean, it'd be nice to get a perfect, like, good brand new one, but hey, if we could get a really good deal, like a really good deal, like maybe for sticker or something, I might be down. It also looks like the door is completely done. So based on my experience when I slid into the guardrail in this thing, getting that whole entire passenger side messed up, it's actually a very similar accident, believe it or not. The only thing that's different is his is like 10 times worse than mine was. So now that I see that and then see what happened to us, I mean, I feel like we got really lucky considering we were going like 40 miles an hour on an open road. So it's crazy what can happen in a dealership. But honestly, it's kind of giving me these vibes that those panels or those body panels are like literally paper mache or like aluminum foil, which is kind of scary because you just look at it and it's got a door ding, you know what I mean? So I don't know, we'll see, but I'm excited though. Honestly, it's so sad because that car is such a beautiful color. I think it's really funny that a lot of people were saying that the car was kind of underpowered based on its, you know, its other competitors, but realistically, like, people can't even get them out of the dealership lots before they're being wrecked. So maybe they do have enough power. At least they have enough power for the normal person. Who knows if it was an automatic or a manual? I'm not quite sure, but if it was a manual, that's just sad. That's just sad. This Nissan Z actually appears to be the performance trim that was crashed and not the base model, which really stinks because that's a $51,015 car. So do you guys think that that damage right there was worth $50,000? Like, do you think it's been totaled or at least close to it? I personally, it's hard to tell. I mean, based on how much it costs to get the, you know, MyCar fixed, I'm gonna say that that car is, I mean, at least 30-something thousand in damage if it's not totaled. Let's go. Oh yes, so much fun. Honestly, that new Nissan Z with the turbos, I mean, that's, of course, I meant to turn the AC off and I turned it on max. That brand new Nissan Z with the turbos, man, like, there's something about this NA motor where it just pulls all the way to 6,500 or 7,000, which is no issues. But with turbos, like, it would be so weird to feel the turbo spooling. Like, I don't know, I just gotta experience that someday. That's just crazy. I seriously appreciate you for being here. Thank you once again so much. We're gonna be crushing grapes today, so that's where I'll be. Hit me a DM on Instagram if you want to talk. I seriously appreciate you for being here, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
How much you lifting there?
It's gotta be like 300-400.